Okoma Radio 97.1.
You Wakuman Modamufia, Maba Montana. All right, Yamobi Akwaba. I'm a PM Okoma Radio 97.1. I'm real too. Yes, in Konya, Okoma Global Sports in the Onkoma Diaba. And then 1st of February 2022. 1st of February 2022. Namencha dia kwenim kakran krasa. And the Katronia on a song Kanchenia. As a team in your flight in Babe 2. From now to the hour of fire 2:30, you better digest my baby mo. Metiano come on Ashwana no. Team ya solid. Abrantia Dini Eke. When you thrash it, you better come on Amanane. Niashania Corny about one more. When you tell someone first started at Tia Thomas sign it. So far, then in Komababa. Robert Francis the exclusive near Diaba or the able to accord. Abrantia Nini Krobia Sante, that's when you're Francis. Radini Kofia Korea Jamai, head of sports Eboa, DJ Zigibidi also come on Facebook. Roko Pima Parkway CPK, he has also Eboa Kamapa. DJ Tonsi, DJ Tony, vibes are. The boy now coming Perry the finest, Nano Tamia. Executive producer, Ramdi Diare Mr. KB. That's where Boakama might be a sweet me a conkai. Nana come up any ebony. The Blasters of Ghana. I'm watching you know. Coaching is you know, I'm watching you know. When you tell the coaches be bad, local coaches be diambe toja. 4 local coaches be diambe toja bushia. Esi mwache government airpoint you amadi. Samson at the Ghana Football Association. Eswo mukocha. Wombe Somba Obabe take over as the new head coach. And the Blasters of Ghana. Yebe shedi come on. eba ni say ye ni say ya ye football ni pese ye ni ye no eba fa na semfa government the coach ba the kind of football association so the coach ba ebusia blast yi o twa ba fa de Watcha blaster na bafa. Ya ba hwe ne etin komo. Ni a digest team. Na ma bia so etimi akonkan. Woni se transfer window eya Ghana ase no. Enda no mo bie ye. Endra House of Folk ayo mo first signing. The Piani Costa so ye two signing. Team Saudi no so asase a wo mo ye signing. Ya ba hwe ne etin komo. The signings are class na start here ya no. Second round no. About me, the beauty of the game, no. Now what the Ghana Premier League second round, no. Never far, never. Sule no money in the area. What is in there before? Eddie about to just say Sule no. Was send your mouse for Kamema Yawa. Ban come be future ba. And come be future ba. Come be the future ba. And the ball come up. Former Blasters physical trainer latest Bibo Waba and Sorano as you are the Ghana Football Association coach. Messi latest Biba former Blasters physical trainer Radin JL and Ebanye Papa ne the Ghana Football Association coach. Tentin wa payday omo coach. Ya dinini adiaba Silimo Bafo yeah, Abrante no come Portugal. He can down for no. And don't share training now, Abrante ne ya. I don't come on your video go. And the stories no, very packed. Catroni and son country, and not training live on Kuma Radio 97.1. Over to Yako Facebook, Obanwa like what comment was share. At the right time, you better pin yak and canning ya the amount. Sasuna koye YouTuber. Nobana shene kama no drop comment. Number bia so etimi akonkan. E say next story in your boyfriend temper. Story in your boyfriend tem. You dropping in your amount. E Kenya Thrashe. Ya baba tu akoma na ne. No the exclusive in ya. E die fiaba. We are meeting at the writer, commentator, Peidu Solomon Fosu. Yes, TWC for short. Number Biasu Etimia Konkai. We are meant to be a man shown from afar. And Tiano, come on, no, my man Tonka. 0551667755 0551667755 and only a text message and answer WhatsApp and a 0270-191-971 0270-191-971 about time about Japan I can kind the amount number be a sweet to me a conkind. No. Kenya France. Yababe tu. Akwamanane. Yeba kwamanane. Edi exclusive nini ya diaba. Na biasu etimi akonkan. Me so kachonia. Na no so kanchonia. Ese team ninya France. Enti no. Zuba, good afternoon.
Zuba.
Boss player.
Yeah.
Nyame adom. Adina nye ya. Ba impromptu za. Impromptu. But say be fine.
Oh, Yankopon adom.
Insama ba.
Oh, insamo.
Okay.
Insamo on say na Europe.
Okay.
Transfer deadline no. Buy na players na dodo na you move.
Okay.
But I am Manchester United. And me am player be same as Chelsea.
Okay.
And I'm out for cancer. I say United and Chelsea team. You have some new players. No one. And then I'm more for play because the likes of City Munyan and pay players.
Okay.
Liverpool dey nyakakra bi ne adia, but I say Chelsea ni United dey. I'm pay player bia, but ni nyina ye. I Chelsea no more players. The likes of Lukaku Muni adia. Bi mu so enfiri mu anko. Na ge just anka Aspi. Betimi akọ January but awanko January but ni nyina nkam fo no obia player one or the ball league.
Okay.
Barcelona January we on my signings. Barcelona signings ebe bo amuntino apart from no an ewu. Say Greenwood akọbọ ne girl bi ni ade onti
plenty me nyanti
Ready messing Greenwood akọbọ ne girl ni ade ama girl no dey abeto social media.
Ana na boja afi.
Na no nyina pram boja.
Okay.
Mama for so ka say girl no enye we bi enye no kre.
Wow.
Girl na no
so bolo bi no dey
ade ade de tina no.
Wow.
Ana moja ba no be so the Greenwood anymore. But United are suspended Branton from training.
Wow.
And the answer bro for the banner assault I'm offended. Aha, nti ano so no nsam no boboba.
Okay.
Nsam no boboba na.
Di yabako.
Sani ayi dia.
Yeah, okay. Super. Yanko mighty AK. Ari amana ne nsam no edi yaba.
Right, okuma 97.1 area nso na mana nsam yetumi atena se ne nso yede pa medin enso ne na Kwame Amponse du betuma frem AK na yese bibia nso no etimi akoso kama enewe enye fidi agon nsam ne doso na mum no ne se ne fata se oteno ene na enewe nso matena se a menso mere bro na kwekwa na be shase a yen shase enso enfan free the top flight major European leagues no onu se no ada big games ni tumi eto dwa kopie mu France and Montaigne so a Coupe de France no etumi eto dwa we ne French Cup. Yes, French Cup no etumi eto dwa na Paris Saint-Germain ana afin so no OGC Nice ana etumi ede poni a na se enya sem kuma na 90 minutes no corner we no na se 0-0 obi an so no entumi afa ball ento no nyonko atena penalties eni OGC Nice surprisingly etumi achi Paris Saint-Germain ese no 6-5 from penalties and also etumi akopa na Abrante and then Leon Paredes ese ni dia sanso na Abrante Xavi Simons enso etumi ese ni dia edema Paris Saint-Germain ni no OGC Nice nso no etumi yi Paris Saint-Germain enso etumi dia free mu the French Cup no yetumi ere atu yetie for enko piemu enso no transfer issues enu ata eto dwa on the transfer deadline day na esenya senkuma uko piemu Liverpool na nkomo hwe nim sa Branton ni Fabio Carvalho tie Fabio Carvalho enka ne wapodi ama Chelsea wapodi ama Bobo kwa ni Real Madrid na dia eni na nka Chelsea for na se ne no Liverpool hwe nim sa Branton ni Fabio Carvalho no ono so betumi age pene na afin so no wabe gina ma si akan so no etime dem Liverpool team na so entime nkopa ne sa amenu asade no enso entimi ankoso na go piem wo Tofis Everton Abrante ni de Dele Alli Abrante no so no boy dem Tottenham enu adano ani Everton so no etime ye deal na Abrante ni de Dele Alli so no wetima ye move no abe piem Everton ni na permanent deal tenie permanent deal na Abrante ni de Dele Alli enso etima sign etime dem Everton Tofis and so yetimi area tudwa enso dem Everton akache no enu amede to enu sa Abrante ni de Donny van de Beek ono ye play ball at my Manchester United team no ono so ni watuma ko pie mo Everton ono so 6 months loan no Abrante ni de Donny van de Beek so ball area ma ye pobo kwa didin so no at Everton and Everton for no tie omo ye signings ne papa Chelsea my former player my legend my former coach and then so the Frank James Lampard no and papa no so tuma ko sign deal and so the ama Everton ono so ba be coach and as a manager and so team the ama Everton toughest and so the English Premier League ma yes so there panti tenie and they will share Lampard now huna we kopie mo Everton ono so kwa manager e dey ma Everton team no and also na sama eba yetum dey atudwa and so na dey ma yetie for na Manchester City so no and they so matuma sign River Plate Abrante and dey and so the Julian Alvarez and sika EP deal no no 18.5 million euros and sika Manchester City so no etumi dey akofa Abrante and dey the Julian Alvarez ono so fi River Plate e wo ye Argentina Argentina ono so abepie mo alone abrante no enso ba bebo enso atimi de ama Manchester City team no enso na reporter etojwa yenso ye ato yetiefu no ye free England afin so no yenko pie mo France de abrante ni de Tanguy Ndombele ono so abrante no na me de no nsema etujwa super mechire ma na abrante be pie Tottenham no ni ama nse na nkosom fama no ntini yesi kuntu wan ya ni nchia na ekọ abrante na san akọ pie mo Olympic Lyonnais ono so kwa loan for the rest of the season enso atimi de ama Olympic Lyonnais nti se no so abrante ni de Tanguy Ndombele no wasan akọ pie mo Olympic Lyonnais ono so kwa 6 months loan enso atimi de ama Poboko no the French league anima yetumi de abre yetiefo na de ukopiem the Italian Serie A abrante upon the ball edema Borussia Mönchengladbach or Germany abrante ni de Denis Zakaria ono so tumi piem all ladies of Italian soccer Juventus ono so sike pie ne de onimo no enso no close to a year 8 million euros ni abrante loan opo ne mo bolo ni we ne Juventus for enso na abrante ne mo de more so da omo betua close to 8 million euros so no atumi di ama Borussia Mönchengladbach na be ya abrante ni din so no Denis Zakaria so deal no o metuma ya ne permanent so atumi di ama Juventus team no and also the report Paniego PM Spain also deadline no there's the issue say so players na ye move na Barcelona kache abrante ni dey Adama Traoré we say wapa na abrante ne ban Barca chira o munya striker Memphis Depay and Sharanfa Samson and Luke de Jong so no emfa itere Arsenal striker ni dey Pierre-Emerick Emiliano Franco Aubameyang and abrante no so no atima be PM Barca team no it Arsenal for muntie ni John Mark tie o team Arsenal no and then striker ni dey Aubameyang no ono so atima move wako PM Barca team no ma ono so loan akọ atumi de ama Barca team no intene no ka muntie mo Barca na mo se atete apro ase no eni players ne pa Aubameyang aba intene no Barcelona for mo man jambra mo mama kuma mu ensa maisa ne sa Branta ni dey enso de Aubameyang na jenkwa no apa oba be bogo so no enso atumi de ama Barca team no intene no adam abrante na so rani din and Joan Laporta president in Barca ogosia Aubameyang ni nso na no prayer medical so abrante ni din de Emiliano Franco Aubameyang ono so etima ye and ma Barca team no in the 6 months na abrante no so ekwa enso etimi de ma Barca team na yenso yetimi de atujwa e de ama etiefo na super wa me obeka ya abrante ni de Christian Eriksen onu sa abrante ye ko ball Euros abrante no ko collapse ni ade na ka ni pe bi dwin se ball no ntumi mbobiem ni na abrante no wato no Wabasa ni a 6 months deal and so England etimi de ma Brentford intene abrante ni de Christian Eriksen no ono so be PM in England Brentford Poboko no abrante so etimi be sign 6 months contract and so de ma team no intimi akwa ni just some abrante ni Christian Eriksen so no etimi returning to football ono so ba be ball the English Premier League no and also the reporter any airpan na uko PM so Liverpool omo defender ni de Nathaniel Phillips so no abrante na ko PM Bournemouth also kwa kubo loan and so the championship no more it's in defenders no omo ye move Nathaniel Phillips or defender and my Liverpool team no also kwa PM Bournemouth also kwa kubo loan and so Newcastle for chairman Sikapa shake the Sikapa 300 billion and omo tibia to players in Aston Villa defender the inside mark target no and then abrante no so to akopie mu Newcastle wo fi Aston Villa loan ono so kwa akobọ kaisa no so ni say abrante ni de Kevin Trippier ono so na tuma pa so at asenti Trippier ba Newcastle ma target so akoka ho na club yo munya right back ntene wan elbo ana wan yet na chi the Newcastle scanner ntene no wo tu bia gumu sa terene sama ana so pa na abrante ni de Aaron Ramsey surprisingly Ramsey tuma bun epuna ketem e the free Juventus no kwedie wakopie mu nso no awaye Rangers of Scotland ona abrante ni de Aaron Ramsey ono so etime free Juventus okwa ball enso de man Rangers of Scotland and also etime de atu yetiefo ni na abrante ni de Islam Slimani ono no Algerian international no ono so upon ball the French animal reporter pa HS wakopie mu Olympique Lyonnais ono so no one o mawie kura agreement na si abrante ni de Islam Slimani ono so no afko wa meboshi contract ya bin amano abrante no sakopie mu France okwa sign enso etimi edema Lyon na Newcastle for sika ne ban plus no turn no moto abrante on ball enso edema Brighton Hove Albion a defender start say your friend Dan Ben ono so no and sika to pio din no no 13 million pounds and then sika ni Newcastle for enso etimi edema Brighton a 2.5 year deal no abrante Dan Ben enso etimi sign dem Newcastle team no and also the reporter aba yet me dia to yet for na Liverpool confirm it is a Branton in the Neco Williams no ono so tia ko pimo Fulham ono so kwa ko loan for the rest of the season and so yet me dia to dwa area ma yet for a super medicine Ousmane Dembele. Ousmane Dembele the young chap no board Mabasa dan kama phone ni zanka ja PSG deal bi betime pimo na eno akoba ne sa PSG for tiema sika Branton no obaji na watch bia no 300,000 no doso dodo omuntimi fa na meka Messi ho Mbappe ho Neymar ho Sergio Ramos ho Gigi Wijnaldum ho is a Branton the deal na and to me amfa still Ousmane Dembele a Barca player and also the reporter ba ye dia to janti super semino de bia me say a doso na mo ne se fata transfer issues say some man 40 no and then so no yet to me area ba omo channel so Chelsea and top player United and top player United don't even the big we free mu Eko Mason Greenwood the girlfriend has some na that no be kase on say Chelsea and United as of late I'm gonna arrive in Abedon them now on say Chelsea were Mason that's Mason Mount and United is one Mason Greenwood now I say these two Masons you know as be to me see that papa be but I say Mason Mount no a pejano woman so see die more as in Greenwood as a Greenwood then akoya massem wow sana Chelsea for neka also beka on if you Foden issue national team camp and massem ya this time around so ba na ha Greenwood I mean nim say mano yes obe for ba super
super ya boa say ahweye
okay
yes ya ahweye
and any Greenwood because on man it's Greenwood I don't need born bonti na man ha no
nte bibia no de wiase de sanete oni bibia om tata wechi
ti say wodi
me de
because when a man pe wasem
mpacho menka
man how
mpacho menka
nte any Greenwood de na ba no sa
dabi me nkwanko na
so na wo ka so oni bibia man how so ya de nti na bia na man so how
dabi
sa
dabi me de me nyom ni twaka bia super and mpacho we
alright nti amana nsem abi fence na face no me nje mo fama super me din enso na Kwame Ampon said you beat my friend AK me nje mo de my writer commentator no so na to aso.
Alright, Abrantia de Arieke and I'll say yes. Ori to Aquaman niaba ehon komo so no enye fidi agro we are still live Okuman Radio 97.1 Okuman Global Sports and yes sinkonya ya de on komo so area ba we baby amota from afar yes yes yankupon show obeto the message na dia ba 0551 66 7755 0551 66 7755 and as 0270 191 9781 0270 191 971 the bantama ya back in kind ya mana biaso no etumi akonka betumi akon Facebook na wa search Okuman Radio 97.1 saso and YouTube no oba no subscribe to our page no and as your channel no area mana be biaso no etumi akonka ya hon commerce no enye fidi agro krobi enya thrase but one or two stories be our local be ye fio be bia na branch krobia and ra or be two jam as a branch and dinner so ranting ade aye asarbedi akono because on pamena da krobia nka semwie ndra papa no ya pameno and then come ye bedinie and then come ye bedinie watch the Black Stars of Ghana Asian after say Saki Oran Tini Milovan Rivat no Asian abe two parties government our interest in Oranti ade aye Kresuton Saso na the Ghana Football Association and ra made ye breakimam ewo aye drive no so as the Ghana Football Association phobia for flight aka kopiemo Germany omni otuato eka kontin komo as Papan Babe take over as the new head coach and from the Black Stars of Ghana Ishana be two party no and be piema Ghana for ebi muso esusu say Isiano yamfa team no and fama aye local coaches 4 local coaches and omudi abetodwa 1 ayo ranting ade Salas Tete woko piema Ghana 2009 under 20 wolidi under 20 akwaje aye World Cup Salas Tete diaba Didi Dramani edi so etume piemu saso na Ibrahim Tanko ene Maxwell Kunedo to you one edwuma no yamfama one edwuma no yamfama no yebehwe ne edin komo na bia so etumi akonkan obetu do message na dia fa eba yebetumi akenkan na bibia so no etumi akonkan wo hodma ehun komo so no enye fede agro yantrone our Facebook yansa say Andra House of Folk I announce the presence of Abranta Dennis Corsa yantrone of Facebook Ziggy at the video net so Zuba Andra Dennis Corsa yes has my sign no has a sign on.
Okay.
Now we join on Facebook on video na Brantia no Ebora has one secretariat to na or the pen echo sin krata so assign it mo join ewo Facebook Samsung YouTube mo be say Brantia thing ade Dennis course abra wo Ebora House of Folk secretariat or the pen sin krata so zuba one video no yes video ni twegu no amanfo susu say House of Folk omakọ enim kakra o hwe video na etwegu na busia mo join asa mo join wo Facebook mo join ambehu na ma drop mo comment na bibia so no etumi akonkan ewo no ti Dennis Kosa House of Folk eno no ehwiehwie ewo no na super okopiema Abrantia thing ade let me see Farouk Adams okopiema super o ehwiehwie baby any go stars ehwiehwie omni ne hwiehwie Farouk Adams super o ehwiehwie
ona ne issue bi ba no
yes ono na oye ya no okobu pi no so oye ya no ekobu pi
o so ni mo de ka akora ko bo pi
pi no Farouk Adams to be any go stars o ehwiehwie South na Brantia tin elde Prince Opoku Ajiman oko go stars
Prince oko
oko 2.5 years do
okay
and Brantia no ehwiehwie enti anon komo so eno no wo let me see na nakota bokuto na Zuba zigi mesrofa film about for picture no to so Zuba Osle film about for say oko Portugal
Real Ave
team we team na super ko training grounds
na you say so bo under 23
omo no
Real Ave under 23 na Branton ako
wow
it's na nyom senior team no
na nyom senior team
say Branton so under 20 player na
yes so under 20 player
it's na ko bo Real Ave under 23
wow by ebeboa
we na ya friend of Black Side we enti Real Ave under 23 your friend of Black Side
oni born but ye man a chance
onimbo sen wan
oni born bo super born onimbo
no you see
super born onimbo
o dey say ka wan asem
so dey ba be kan no ho asem ti no ba so far Dennis Kosa Abrantia Diade Farouk Adams Prince Opoku Ajiman and players o hwa o mahwehwi a ho komoso no enye Fediagro ba so ba yentie we onim say okopiema government any GFA issue no majority leader for parliament ranting let me see na nakota taboko okay I say chairman Sabonsu super or den koma credit apa afa ranting adi otuado any okopiema kresu ton no or den koma credit apa ati GFA no omko Germany no omko de omye bastona omefa ranting adi Chris Huton yentesma Rati ade Osei Chairman Sabonsu wadi atueja.
Otuado is the second coach for Dortmund. Chris Hilton, one of our team from lower ranks. Yeah. So Division 2, Domba Division 1. Afi models were Domba Premier. What they buy? Young Obia, one of our materials quality no untimi vouch for no put two together. Sano, me be in such coaches. Because unsung players and now what developing a tactics. So technically they may not be very good players, but tactically no. Utimi a well do together. By a strong teamer. That coach you call a very good coach.
Super no. Out your voice ni ya. You have bad down command so na ma bibia so no etimi akonkai former Division 1 leg board chairman Urante ade my lawyer into Fia Kopapei I didn't come out credit aba as a Ghana your little time away nim ebeya and the Ghana Football Association in penny for international no more for local coach be no more fake mano and for man yentias morano at the atuja. And I don't presume I'm not ashamed of the women. We will be able to tell me to me in the dear match and you do and die. You have to leave my image. This is Nipa on what I'm talking about more coaching knowledge. Means that my and Sabu Nipa Tribua, Nipa will be a coach. Ekofa Milobaya, coach the president, and you so way Milu is the way the best coach. This is will be able to maybe the Nipa 2 and second year. Local coaches mean there be a dream. You see, desperate disease needs a special solution. What do we do in the circumstance? Now, almost CCGF, you know. Maybe the Missouri and Kenya, 3 best local coaches, Ghana for. Some more side, some more inside, the Ghanaians. They know the terrain. My young boys now,
or be committed. It should not be all foreign boys. There be local local will be to have watching board of Mukobo. I'm telling you, they be trouble.
Nti ano no ntofia konkomo a wade yeba and wasadi to da asem penifon hwe no mo blended the local players and the foreign players no enfantato.
I was a member of the council that na Yenyan Tobama Benko Veneje last as winning African Cup. Those are the going for fast of 4 players 9 in Nigeria for by Saturday o coach ne you no bia o bodyguard on be training na many fan come me they can say emu nya kwan ko insano o dey aso bo face you omo e golas because Nigeria start team be so be big review God bless you in terms of the one foreign na because was it say mo je ni apan no se wan back 22 years later. On the face in Nigeria for people be answer that. So man demand here. But be do the me say Nigeria for say them we have to be but now boys no outside. Open the here blast the project of who. They be kind of create here play here no. Most of local boys be top ball. Think any combination of local and coach interest. No more we don't be team up committed. Yes be pro be at blast and those they say phobia. Because than the also 1972. The fan blast come by no about 72. That man for no did that the constitution about blast. He was part of Konya Blaster. That's the funny part of it. Now, Blaster now, but when you contrast, but press Blaster, if I can tell you, say, press a ball, a year, they say, medium, be a better job.
And I know, come on, so, and on our branch at the TLC Taylor. Yes, Marek, I know a branch and out to me a Coco Pima, wash as a Biasono, a bit to me a conquer Sudan. The anon combo, so, I don't know. Oko Piemo, our yellow Bobo Quatin. Ade 11 wonders o ma sign ya branch Anthony Moro. Yes, Moro and Tiano Como so and on your life so Okoma Radio 97.1 ti ano como so and on batie abrantie Sule ni aboboy banie latest exclusive mutieni empama me Sule ni ba ne say House of Folk and na wie 1 year deal contract and omni na wie but abrantie ne komodidi akoso no on jiske bia House of Folk mutie mame and commodity air cost no on this kebia ewo House of Folk obeboni free at the House of Folk and yes house in penny for and so oboni free dabi on no say ofini pemu ebebo amabubo kwantin at the House of Folk free on this kebia dabi he noko ti Sule and komo so and on Timothy say house announce no the president ebetumi ayende ebetumi ayotuna ti eno no enkomo a ebebo eba ewo dwene so Krobia good afternoon.
Writer.
Na bibi fine.
Oh, body down man.
No be there. So akwano say no ho ye pa.
Bibi ai kama.
Okay.
Bibi fine.
Edi radiase pa. O she last week o koni aba ni nyama 1 or 2. You can say why ya kakra.
Bibi dey man kasa kra actually.
Adena ye ya.
Fine.
Bebe fa. Say nya wa we no adena de no ho bejima. Ana na no so de no bejima na aye bibia wo.
Oh yeah.
Nti ano no Krobia ya hwa ma na nsem ne kakra na ansa ne abe fi se. I'll start story ben I'll touch you on.
Writer.
Okay.
Unza ya January transfer ni mu ene no endrana ye de economy ye Europe. And you know some of the teams ni bi
okay.
To me the new managers ni ade aba binumu so the players be baby I was a woman strengthen no.
Sure.
Woman so to me I strengthen one various positions na one more esusu say at the end of the first round no and I say in the first round no one more feel say na enyoma enkoye wo that position so omo to me afele such voice no e ho no I think say ekoye ma team CB so you okay with you know squad a one more any day we are one more modern bono equating so there is no need for them to beef up one more squad a one more already. Writer,
super.
Yamo be a very good afternoon.
Okay.
Na yencha ETFO nyina. Yeah. Everton. Nenu say after say 2019-2020-21 season na waba na ora ye friend no Carlo Ancelotti.
Sure.
Ebeje ejuma no eno de players bi eba ya womo ebebo no ma ejuma no na ekoyi man ye pa that particular season womo to me ebo wo ho modin ye nyina ye ni mo Everton say oye middle table team.
Sure.
Womo ebe fight for Carabao Cup and FA Cup bi say womo be do the quarter-finals and as a semi-finals bi ansa na wo mo etumi ayeden efrimu and if possibly kura na finals krampo no wo mo nso deserve say wo mo betumi akọ finals because this is a team what what the premiership nim krampo ansa na ene no Leicester City etumi ebore mu beje trophy no in 2015 so wo mo nso hope say with quality any sika any quality of managers our ones so far no ebe to me e de wo edum pempen so bi we share the last 5 years our players are wo to me asensan sika wo mo die remu e wo transfer mu any managers are wo coach top teams and I say clubs e wo Europa wo mo di wo nyina aba club nim but yet enioma into me nkoye Ancelotti e beje ejuma no e the players bi e be buy Abdoulaye Doucouré no mo etumi ebe musanka ejuma no beboa Daniel James from James Rodriguez from team my friend Real Madrid Ancelotti about to me the buy ma wo nyina ebeboa it was an exciting season for them especially the first round and aye kono na wo mo have a more fun in terms of any comedy side wa games and wo mo win any wo mo away performance na na yade so any but opening no eja ejuma ne to okay. Just because na ne Madrid eba tebiri opening ni de koy and if say Madrid share coach Everton who coach na Madrid hiana definitely and Papa friend Carlo Ancelotti have no other option than so beja team no na wako and okoye no players beat say in the Abrante friend James Rodriguez say to me koy and any this transfer so no wo left back no untumi yi about 5 to 6 left backs proper ones indeed the English Premiership ni mu a onfa Abrante friend Lucas Digne enkan and sa Abrante no so etumi ebu na akate mu enso e de efi Everton na hu behia se wo mo be replace then Rafa Benitez enso e ba be fa ejuma no and less than 12 games onzo na ne modern bono enso eni uhwe games Everton the last 7 games wo mu ntumi enwini a game na hu behia se wo be den wo mo be bo penin na situ enene ne fe na baby abedu ni se sisi anu project na wo mo ba beye no wo mo hia a long term project ana wo mo po bi obe build a team a eneno at least if not say Everton fighting for even a trophy and I said this domestic trophies in kitten ayewo England na wo mo modern ball ewo league log no so no expectation no enkoye enti Rafa Benitez ono so wo mo tumi ball ne na city and wo mo hwe enimu na so ene hwe mu a akoye say players a wo ma ball ni bida na wo mo jedinya na ne no wo mo take up in the various teams a wo mo aka especially these minus clubs no so wo hwe ejuma openi aye friend no Steven Gerrard ekoye Scotland Edinburgh Rangers from there wa ba be pimo Aston Villa and obai no ne ye nyina ye ehu ne modern ball obo Premiership ni mu enti ne hu behia to challenge with such clubs no onzo betumi akofa players a wo nso nim de ene nam so na wo kofa Frank Lampard 2020-21 season ono nso etumi be ye ejuma edema ne former club Chelsea ye nyina ye hu so obai no modern ball no na esueni but with players any or requested from the club no wo mo etumi to players ni nyina ama no na mmom na aka se obetumi ede aye ejuma na ne nsa no these players ne so any modern ball any expectations na any supporters any boboku mpanifo nyina hwehwe fi won enya ade a wo mo eden etumi enyan ene nam so a January transfer last season wo mo etumi epam na Thomas Tuchel etumi buy and openi no atenafia till ena in Everton etumi appointed Frank James Lampard and I think say coach Frank Lampard abano unze opere ne ho from Derby County I will be taking pressure watch Chelsea because on any day one more ehia resource double bokunu but for Everton I think say ebetumi aboano kakra ebetumi aboano with so we be place a respectable position our leg log so 2.5 years our sign I think say Everton now including their supporters womu nyina aware say womu team no in disarray so that Lampard Urbano there wouldn't be any pressure the first 6 months no second round of the season no there wouldn't be any pressure on him nemo womu be hwe djuma obetumi team no etumi aye this 6 months and Lampard buy no I think so no so etumi aye signings bia osusu say ne ebetumi aboa Everton kunu because losing Abrante friend Lucas Dini na hu benya say won be replace no Ed akofa Abrante back Ukraine international or 21-year-old Abrante no 21-year-old our over 20 matches Ediama ene Ukraine national team no just any modern bonzo eden esueni Ukrainian league you know we to me ag 2020-21 season o to me ag edema ene no Dynamo Kiev ho Abrante friend no Vitaly Shiyovic ono so to me aba oba be share that right back was Simon Koman an experienced one take you right back then ubenya Yeremina ene Michael Kien womu nyina ho midfield no womu nsheda any problem bia Abdoulaye Doucouré Andre Gomez Alan womu nyina then Donny van der Beek ebabe ade up to the attacking front war Dele Alli nyina yenimu ni experience Premier League nimu the youngest player, English player, Premier League at the age of 21. No way to me, as 40 goals, and I will take you on. Time and Lampard, any Steven Gerrard, Munina 21, Nathan, I will to me, as 14 goals, 13 goals, respectively. Steven Neno Gerrard no. So I think that the modern bono young player of the year Premier League no way to me a Jim Premier nu ni Tottenham Hotspur and the modern ball. But I think that Antonio Conte Ekofa Kulusevski from Inter Milan womu nyina operative from the wings then that central row ubehwe matches Antonio Conte ama Dele Alli abo nyina operative from the left side and omane ball and Sabrante ne ba na hu behia say Dele Alli so beko bebi obetumi enya mobi Dominic Calvert-Lewin ehia any other introduction or the premiership nim Richarlison Andrade and so ehia any ways to describe him and I think that Lampard what it takes the men say on so if so put it up a certain way be in place a bit to me abana players and so acting as a na commitment to me abana camp. I think that these are players are on any day what move to me I'll share any other team be including in the likes of Man City, Chelsea, any United no more what move to me are fighting for a respectable position if not Krana Europa Conference League I want to me Eddie Abeshemu and also be to me enye biabo. So I think Everton are a good recruitment from the coaching side. Eko any new additions are one to me there, but I think they be to my boy may save you season na no na echo into a mess. Newcastle and modern born also this season no and ya dia echo ye kra and then I'm a team no one to me aton edia masa katafo esikafu ya wo aba be take and one first transfer window no players akuku dam akesia wo ko wo nyina no enya dia wo to me enya wo Aaron Ramsey of Juventus na wo hia no wo say to me aka no Phil Coutinho eba ebepie mu ne Aston Villa due to the relationship on opening your friend Steven Gerrard. So initially ne acceptance to play for any Newcastle no and also no to me e boy kwoti awa bedwene and the Aston Villa. But I think say recruitment any sika kakra ho January a very hard say obi to me as sign top players be and kakra wo ma I think say wo mo ye very good players wo mo be to me aboa wo mo achiri wo no wo mo ehun say no right back wo no enya de a modern ball esueni ho enti English international Kevin Trippier wo mo to me akofa na ba ho fantastic on any day one of the best right back wo be to me enya no Europe crampo be to me akana kan wo mo to me edenaba and then Matt Target ono both legs Utumi ebo some of the games for Aston Villa Utumi ebo the left back and I think say going into the next round no wo mo betumi use the left back wo etire ho wo mo Lascelles and Jamal Lascelles then captain of the side and wo ma kofa Brighton and Hove Albion Dan Ben I mimi hu say Dan Ben and Jamal Lascelles Matt Target any Kevin Trippier ebe to me make sure say chiri one so ebe to me tight midfield of enenu Jonjo Shelvey na enenu one di Bruno Guimaraes. He's a player who say Messi any Neymar Mbappe Verratti these players we nyina yewo won says Fabregas no nyina ewo the French Ligue 1 ni mu no upe player one man most of the passes ye can incisive creative passes most of them are ubenya if you branch your friend Bruno Guimaraes wo ono standing tall ahead of these players mabubo wondi nyina ewo French Ligue 1 ni mu the final third pass I no yeah actually say on map the final third pass the 18-yard box just outside any in the box ma any players and so to me a very born to the net and also Branty first and also order honoma I think say ne modern bono and so to me ni honoma Oban or this quality way na adaptation to the premiership obey to me enyan so quick now way to me pick it from that stage I think say or also it is something special obey to me they up to any Newcastle United ma one so relegate they are one particular team relegation main person and won't be to me fee and a premiership no relegation so I'm very happy for them our signings are all my year minimum say those signings a bit to me abwa wo yepa lastly on any Scottish league last season Steven Gerrard and AJ in a new Scottish Premiership Edinburgh Rangers and this season one more Arsenal take it 2 points lead and ahead of Celtic one so one more arch rival and I say one more counterpart pan I say and Tima one more fight for Scottish Premier League 2.56 points against NA 54 points. But we share a recruitment this January transfer. One more time, yeah, they are I think one move to me as a retaining league, and one more time, quality players top players Europe ube to me about any other top flight teams one more Europa one more nyina so ube to me any be about the likes of Abrante friend Ahmed Diallo from Atlanta will be PM or Manchester United for 40 million one more to me ekofa ne buy or buy new players hono e be thing so ube to me penetrate and due to that one more Edina Cologne Rangers from there one more eba Juventus ebe far Aaron Ramsey and Aaron Ramsey Abrante back one one year pass teams are now Ramsey one so ko PM Rangers and I think say ni nyina no playing time womunyina ebetumi enya because they approach the biggest tournament in the whole world World Cup and then now this current January young to me who players bebre and in pennyful players be experience womunyina to me making move to certain teams na ye expect sanka womu betumi akọ due to playing time so umbenya position the national side and I think the Rangers in sweet to me here and a very very good recruitment or Ahmed Diallo and Aaron Ramsey then Aribo that Obekai Nigeria national team Aribo the only Wilfred indeed your number 10 shirted on also I think the Rangers to me Alpha league this season and recruitment I'm very very impressed with them and I think the okay. Barcelona, I think they're on any other teams that can okay.
All right, Krabia Sante and I'll tell Kano Brante Mustafa about I'm evidence sports presenter at Kumasi or share life. So evidence we bruta pa Majesty di Jana to us as Goody boy as soon as the end of the bar and home commerce and for the agro boss player Yansha Simano enum enfana bashasi DFI Simaninum.
Right, and my chat here for one share live on Facebook. I'm gonna have you know you know yen papa. My mention CFM free the transfer issues are and rather it's me to jam or Europe. Barcelona and rather it's me finally make a signing already now. I'm the services of Abrante and Daniel Alves, Samson Abrante and Dean. And so Ferran Torres it's me a buy any idea and in the last 2 days I'm going to make the sign on the services of Abrante and the Adama Traore from Wolves and another Abrante and the Aubameyang and so no it's me a bear move but Abrante I won't confirm any deal near what bad ye and I won't confirm any deal near but then I know training El Barca training grounds I think say you need some Edema Barca players but you miss I say at the end of Aubameyang at a Barca team anymore. Okay. First of all, Barcelona like a goal scorer, and that's what our coach and Eddie Xavi Hernandez at Timatnas and one say no. Open all the ball and air ball and I say boy air ball any chances are you create you knew be a Oshe.
Okay.
the time of Abranti and Eddie and I say Ura and Eddie Ronald Koeman no or if I look the young by because I know Ojin say Suarez e kona Griezmann e kono obenhi obi obese and if I look the young by but look the young by no from far anything extraordinary and Barca team no here. He's not a kind of goal scorer Barca and I said the kind of striker Barca we can see Memphis Depay but Memphis Depay any typical striker because we rely on him on a season obetimi ashe more goals said amount. Yes, in the Olympic Lyonnais or say a lot of goals said my Olympic Lyonnais in the French league. Obeka say the Farmers League into all the obetimi ashe go be abesa say. But when it comes to the La Liga, uchi a tougher opponent. And you know here a very good striker obetimi banging in goals at the amount. And then Xavi atena see yan wakofa Abrante Aubameyang at the about. But let's ask ourselves, what was the last time Aubameyang a ball game? Well, no suspension. Arsenal. The last 2 months in here. If I'm starting to be corrected, in the last 2 months, yes, on more game here. And for my Arsenal, not team here. And then I can find I feel now about keep it and as about sharing the match fitness. And then I adapt it to the system.
Okay.
Xavi the ball Barca. Barca. I think yeah, the second round in the crowd. But I know with the experience that Aubameyang Ikura was bought for Borussia Dortmund playing for Arsenal. No, and you feel now Obabe Shishe qualities be the kind of qualities are Ukra. The best thing Aubameyang beat my hand is obey the instructions of a coach and then the Xavi Hernandez. That is what play to the rhythm of the team. A bit my boy Ama Aubameyang so it's my go so no Eddie my Barca team no. But apparently Adama Traore Aba. Yes, a great signing to me as a Barca fan because Barcelona a book game na me anopena me catch Krobia. Omo bo first half in the second half not from the 70th minute kwa anymore no so weak. Omo no be push up front e ba be create chance no e dey am Barca team no. But in here Adama Aba no see a bonny the 70th minute now you introduce a certain Adama Traore with the energy and the skills so kwa no obema ehu. Okay. So I think say a very, very important signing at the Barcelona. A strategic signing in Barcelona. 6 months. Okay. And you know I'm targeting somebody to my board the Champions League next season. Sure. So when you say this players in the I bet my top 4 no my day. I'm to my boy the Champions League to my Kobo. So I think say a very good signing in Barca, the likes of Ferran Torres, Adama Traore, Aubameyang and Dani Alves, but one thing I'm disappointed was Abrante Ousmane Dembele. Barcelona for Entiman getting rid of him. Because already Coutinho call, Griezmann echo. Intina me expect say anka Dembele to be to me call. Okay. Because Abrante in here crowd so be ball at the Barca team no. Open highest paid players El Barca account. Wow. Expensive players in Barcelona history. Account. Coutinho, Dembele, Griezmann. Now, I'm the Griezmann call, I'm the Coutinho so kwa Dembele. But performance at Barcelona for a share from the million omunya. But I know answer now what you be able to escademano. Now what you be able to escaban. In terms of fans, no, I would say someone fed up with Abrante, no, and injuries and so have Abrante, no. In terms of to me, a move this January and give it to my Abuama Barcelona wage and as my salary near my air home, Sakasama house, no, and get him about from now probably in July. August, we now come in at the services of Abrante and the Eddie Haaland. But then to my man is about I think they may do July, August, no. Now, Abrante and the Dembele met to Major Coin. Another signing now. Okay. Uncle, so I'm quite surprised and shocked. Jesse Lingard of Manchester United. Okay. Abrante and by United. Onya Bimbo. Ubaka last season, West Ham United. He was very, very instrumental in my West Ham team, you know. It's not West Ham for James and United for a big journey. Now come I do no permanent. But United for that dream won't say no. This season they want to challenge for the league title. Into me here more players. Say they be a baby fish squad, you know. Into me keep it Jesse Lingard. Now we keep it Jesse Lingard and Ole Gunnar Solskjaer, no. Well, my brand an opportunity. Lingard is not playing, or he didn't play under Ole. Yeah. Ole Koye Anna Eja Rafa Ba. Rafa Be young Hedwins new coach Awabe and cover more opportunities about almost all the players. Now can almost write to make sure Casey almost talents and skills of Bukra. One of the services of Abrante and Tony Marshall. I'm an opportunity to play when to improve or call loan or Sevilla. Abrante and United just saying and so wow, man opportunity to play for United. Also still keep, you know. Newcastle was ready to sang also major Abrante and Eddie Jesse Lingard. But once again, Abrante and Amananko. So I didn't say it was a big mistake United is Oman Ja Brandt and any just Lingard. I'm an uncle loan and from Newcastle. I don't know. The reason might be say be a Masao Air Corno. In the baby here Lingard. But meanwhile, Brandt no man more. Oh man, in the region I want man uncle Newcastle. So I'm quite shocked to say I didn't know United for to me yet. Saudi and prevent it Lingard. While Brandt in a
Okay.
We just went to my uncle Newcastle.
Okay.
And another signing. And I do a mystery. Oshe Everton. When your first time out, Omo elsewhere players go Omo team.
Okay.
It will be a certain Andre Gomez came in, a certain Lucas Digne, a certain Yerry Mina, James Rodriguez, and Carlo Ancelotti. Omo United. There's this player on the bench, Torsen, top striker, Torsen. He's still at the bench. Oh, yes, take it in our bench. Meanwhile, Niaman said now, I go Alex will be more any idea. Go for a whole lot of players. Gerard Jellyfomo, any other by them. This time around, no matter this general, Papa for the likes of Abrante and Eddie Daly Ali and Donny van de Beek. Another midfielders. Meanwhile, Andre Gomez or Diakori or Alan or your friend is saying Abrante and Eddie Sigurdsson Munina Eden. Almost no answer enya bimbo. No akofa Daily Ali and Donny van de Beek inside there. I say I'm a count. Me I want when Jai will be here. It's all these players, and all the players are on my bed bending onto the coach.
Okay.
Lampard. So now it's up to Lampard. Formation man, I may about 4-4-2, and I may about 4-3-3, and I say may about 3-5-2-1, whatever formation Lampard there, but be depending on the midfielders, no. And midfielders no dependence. So midfielders paying, players paying.
Yes.
Because they are calling Allen. He said, I'm not pivots. Edema. Everton team, no?
Sure.
So I say, you can't do away with a friend say Allen and Abrante need to accord. Until Van de Beek need daily, where are you play? Where are you going to play them?
Wow.
Obo 4-2-3-1. Let's assume say Obo 4-2-3-1. Defenders, no, the two pivots will be probably the Akori and Allen sitting actually.
Behind the two
behind the two pivots, and I said yes behind our pivots in him, and 4-2-3-1. What about 2 or 3 over about wine? Daily Ali, Van de Beek, and wine. Richarlison, 4-2-3-1. Now the Calvert-Lewin at 2 in him. Fine. So what if Abrante Sigurdsson returning from injury? Because Sigurdsson, so where is where Andre Gomez? And also
fighting for midfield role. Or share that pivot role. Then again, it's either so be used to a man. So what I say, oh, 4-1-4-1 formation.
That has been the problem of Everton over the years.
Yeah.
So enya a whole lot of midfielders that to me and she show me and fambo. So I say a whole lot of midfielders Everton enya to me so that has been the problem.
Okay.
I know Everton anything a ban at the top 4 near the end and I say Europa League in come to me more room and kobo. So I think say Frank Lampard
okay.
In as a coach I want a little bit of experience
yes.
from Chelsea.
Yes.
It's also because superstars are no crowd Chelsea, no, and you need to be Everton.
Yes.
We manage you, but Nyama 1 or 2 minutes and farm. But I think say with experience when you out Chelsea bit to me at the boy Everton. No so at me push your comment. But Chelsea didn't make any signing. Same as Manchester United. Martial out to Sevilla. I think it's a good move because Onya match playing time. World Cup than him. Onya be abo. Until Onya Bikobo Sevilla a good Madrid and make it signing beer. I think they are okay with the squad. They were a very, very solid team. And Madrid, Liverpool, and you want to Abrante Luis Diaz, right? And also waiting my bad. I think they with a boy Abrante and a ball Porto, no, or the Barber boy Liverpool. And so about super. For transfer issues. I think the will deal with that transfer issues more.
So Abrante Dinieke and out is also Apumum Kakra. Diamond and Semno, Elia Behon Commerce no, and Yefidia. Ground we are still live. Okuma Radio 97.1. Yes, you can Okuma Global Sports and yet young commerce room. And the Eba Yabafia baby Dean Como, Black Stars of Ghana. I will shout here power me coaching job no. And Anwayese. Missy coaching job no. Anwayese. Nipa mienu. I say 2 parties. We support you. Why not say Jumano? Woli di Geoffrey Andra womo kopie mo awo Germany wom ni otuado 18 komo ese papa no embe take adwuma no o me fe adwuma no ana obepie mo a aban na so invite ora din de eya Chris Hutton so mra apai bai wasase any players ne bi etiti eya nkomo ombe so bebo mo but yentie voice we Amra
Otuado is the second coach for Dortmund. Chris Hutton one of our team from lower ranks. So Division 2 Domba Division 1 afei bo models wa Domba Premier no dey buy yo obi a one wafa materials a omo quality no untimi vouch for no put them together no sa no me believe in such coaches because unsung players and what develop on the tactics so technically they may not be very good players but tactically no utimi well do them together by a strong teamer that coach you call a very good coach
no we fi aban ho de nie no dabi I want us to etefo mutenie pese nya voice ne clear pa enchemo de bai efa the difference between Otuado and Eya Chris no yentie sante biom.
Otuado is the second coach for Dortmund. Chris Hutton one of our team from lower ranks. So Division 2 Domba Division 1 afei bo models wa Domba Premier no dey buy yo obi a one wafa materials a omo quality no untimi vouch for no put them together no sa no me believe in such coaches because unsung players and what develop on the tactics so technically they may not be very good players but tactically no utimi well do them together by a strong teamer that coach you call a very good coach.
See yes common utia but just say Chris no no say players be on ma omni bomber san otumi put them together among be very good players but Otuado ne wan fa no ne come because on sheda name this anti I don't come on as well. Mama shall see a favorite crop ya but Mama Tonka 05516677 05516677 I have 55 I need a text message and answer WhatsApp at the right maybe a full lines no at the amount na obi ade na drink share at the apa I would be so baby susu say ora did dramani Salas Tete Saso and Maxo Kunedu and you ran the why be umpu back in refinity. These coaches you'll be Ibrahim Tanko. These 4 local coaches no yen fed man and famomo Nienjo Tuado say ora did Chris Hutton Yenjo Mieno na Embo Bia. Also ye be ama now do I drink share at the aba. Krobia
right
and common in here the Ghana Football Association versus government be appointed coach. Is ya no who coach a young point no. Wait Otuado. We epe Chris Hutton. Yanshim kakra.
Yeah, right. I think that I say move. Idiot, me would say, yeah, don't cry. Me nanka me pe we bia.
Okay.
Me kananka mashasi. But I think that all the same no.
Belego.
Yeah, bibia come on. Asarbedi akonso ko.
Okoko, papa no ko. Yes, and I say onya career no ayampo so ne yasake no. Okoko. Why are they?
Oko.
But say the coach of the month on OG.
Oh, I know the end what no the fa ho. Oko. Because baby me pese. Me ba Black Stars because
do so offer you be
15 matches.
Okay.
15 matches na je say utumi wini yipa dia.
5 minutes.
5 per dia na je say one yard. So I think that Okoi dey beboa.
Okay.
Utumi concede 16 goals. Now say 20 per dia.
Why are there?
Na je say umodem won say.
5 minutes.
Right.
Suba.
Yanko.
5 minutes account. Yanko.
Asarbedia. Right.
Zuba,
yeah, and you know honorable Akasa.
Okay.
And Sadi yenina ene yepe Black Stars in ye.
Okay.
Yepe Ghana football ye. And said ya ye who say Black Stars naba ana ye who say America. But say yen national teams in nyina marantene ne maba ni nyina say no eya kwa ye say yen krofi ya ye word won ho aba bejim. And one more bar and sha 40 years na young akon. You be call 50 account.
Wow.
Oh yes. So you de young and see sadi on tem. Any baby I need you know yepe manager obe to me actually say put you up a good team BS who am I na that love from any Ghanaians any players in that love say woman so bed done that national shirt and any other name to me and back na yes and dangadi say already na ye war sadi wo ho say yeah as abangi na wo so na sa abangi time de wo ba records mu yen abang time na ye national teams ni to me bo homodin na mum we no mo bade a yes already no wo ho dada no nija no ano nje dan ye den but nei me hwe baby a football e wo biase nyina akwakodu na before no politics are ebe wura football mu countries are nei politics e dokro wo mu e wo one football e be say one football nyina no etumi a resolve this anyoma ni nyina ma ne wo ma back to how football should be run no I nyoma kuye ma won me use Ivory Coast as an example. They are one of the countries Africa politics we don't party A we don't party B player we one ne wo fa ase na ye party we member player we yen ye wa ban we ne ye person ko mbedi ba ban we ya mbedi ne de ene ye ko hie mu a twinchine Drogba no time 100%. Sadi we na koso wo nenu wo mo ye ni pefema ene Drogba se me de abang we na me wona fa mo ma ye nyina ye kan humbum ni yembo oyi turenum enye ne. And I think say wo mo krampo atumi apa ho ehun say politics eye say wura won football mu no eye true football ne sa nyoma we ya na wo mo sande ye den e dampe no na ene hwe bia wo mo football ye den ababedu any baby a wo mo rekọ e wo football mu. And I think say sa time we mom na say Ghana the FN yes amba be start e wo ho de dawde ne mom na wo fom ba say FN ye ba be hyem kina ai ne honorables udu parliament ne ade a e wo ho honorables bi re kire enei opinion to say o me taking charge of any Ghana Blasters as head coach enyi fa enyi fa and FA e wo nipa enei ope ministry in combination with no ni MPs wo mu nyina wo one political wo under one political party and so susu there was say o may take charge of the Ghana Black Stars and yi bene nam so under 20 coach it will be influenced ye benya sa political way before answer ye nya under 20 coach under 17 ebe say anti ebedu baby no wa bang ni so and I say one don party bin na ukura we better coach than obi kura. It will be very hard to say Ghana national team wa wo man Ghana wako sunya de say oba be ye djuma de aboa Ghana football ebedu baby esani say wo nyoma ni nyina wo betumi de ma Ghana football etumpon due to a certain political party already at a particular time no you won't be given the opportunity and then no na start no.
Wow.
And I think say baby ye nyina yen su for 40 years I say yen various national teams you know ekoye yen league ankasa ye bo enenu individually one more etumi create jobs individually one more only clubs you know ni nyina betumi akoye na say ye de enei ye de sadi ba things say enya de betumi aboa. And the FA said ya enenu upeska ko World Cup wotumi etena se ne president na enim ebunkotoje ne kasa na eneno negotiation through ministry NFA president ne eneyu ko presidential staffs wo mutumi ne wo motena se kasa se yebehia sika se enti yebehia sponsorship se ama wo nyina akọ bankrum na wo mo yedea eye ene de fata de boa Ghana football. I think say it's about time wo nyina besan ehiem sa na wo akọ bankrum then 70 to 80% crampo of eneno say yankofa a manager binu should be on FA now or running no, because at the end of the day if say niama anko ya a woman and Ghana funyina beto nya dwegum so because woman ye the football no aden asha woman sa sure enti despite say ministry anasa abang na etua ene coach bia Ghana football akofa na ba Ghana football coach ana yakofa na ba already a national team, not individual team, and as a club will be your magni team and a yakofani ba nipa womunim dear and then minimum say president sorry na so o say ne agric minister or per se o yine dia obetena ho anase keti yeso kreku anase Mark Adonom ebetumi akotena studio abeka say saasi mesi we ya te say president Nana Addo Dankwa person de ne be ya Greek minister ne de yen football yen tiase na nka onfa we mumu meche ho. I don't think say it will be allowed. Yes, and if say because yen him say mo na mu say mo ye political science, mo ana mu say mo ye mo engineers, mo ana mu say mo the various way baby amon so no mo sector honi baby amon so mo policy mo hu eduni enti na mo no mo ye mo politics, and that matter that respect no any say na mo run mu nyoma nyina e different compared to football say na football e running. Sure. Enti no enei say mutuya enei omagno coach ko say den I don't think say we ya dia it was a yenya politicians especially eba into this argument. They shouldn't come into this argument at all. Say ube to me achre ene coacha it was a yemfano because obia enim dia me hu ene shoemaker yede no eba abekwa akoto ene nurse na no say obi person owunti shoemaker fu na ti say koji na wo debi can do that into no I think say Sanyo mano de womu betumi si wano ntem a ebetumi aboa is either say womu befa any means through the FA no betumi afa means bi ono so betumi dia propel ni ministry no ama womu so talking of FA no not the ministry as such way sure. FA no ama womu so betumi say now ye betumi ene abang so akobenkrum na bribi wo hora say coaches no yen an ye betu ya wonka ana say do aban wo na obetu ya wonka nanso no the appointment and however wherever kwanga ye fa so appoint ene coaches ni ade nyina for national side no ye pamoche wo betumi atwe mo ho a anka betumi abo Ghana football.
All right so Krobia Sansano ege simanu num yanko enim
super Krobia ka bebre asene obo Honorable Chairman Sabun so Bonechi Sani Adia. Okay. But out of me 5 minutes, no, you be na fabo voice, no, na my phone. Maybe I say me chairman for Adia.
All right. So, therefore, ENT voice, no, Embra.
Otuado is the second coach for Dortmund. Chris Hughton, one of our team from lower ranks. Yeah. So, Division 2. Romba. Otuado is the second coach for Dortmund. Chris Hughton, one of our team from lower ranks. Yeah. So, Division 2. Romba Division 1. Afi bo models wa do ba Premier no dey buy. Yo, obi a wonu afa materials a omo quality no untimi vouch for no put them together no. Sa no. Me ya me believe in such coaches. Cause unsung players and now what developing a tactics. So technically they may not be very good players, but tactically no. Utimi a well do omo together. By a strong teamer. That coach you call a very good coach.
Abusia, I don't know, super. That coach is called a good coach.
You see, what I noticed, in some Honorable Chairman Sabunsu Akasa and I saw kind and say, Omobi Adin,
Davi.
He's not a spokesperson for the government.
Okay.
And Okasai as a Ghanaian.
Okay.
One Kasa said, I know a Minister of Communication and a Minister for Communication and also a President, you know, PRO. He spoke as a Ghanaian.
Okay.
And so Okasa or say, Nipa bisa no sa coach is no eden ope.
Okay.
One guy says sa coach is here and says sa coach even a buying share some Fadiama the Black Stars.
Okay.
So he spoke as a Ghanaian and I was right, you know, to speak the way he spoke. And whatever thing he said,
right.
Was all right, you know. It's up to the FA, the Ghana Football Association, and the Ministry of Youth and Sports. So when you have a car boom, and I'm a Ben Krum, no matter to me say, yeah, fa Chris, yeah, fa Otoado, yeah, fa Ibrahim Tanko, and yeah, fa Miamitie. It's up to them. It's up to the ministry.
Okay.
And FA, no.
Okay.
Me know why I tell you. Said the government can never appoint a coach for the Black Stars or for a national team. And yeah, the ABC. But the government can influence in appointment of a national team coach.
Okay.
Obeka yura kwesi apia ni book or choro
Sure.
Ni book your choro So the say the appointment onya as a Black Star coach was through a former president. It was through a former president Kufuor. That was what he said.
Sure.
But it doesn't mean say former President Kufuor na here
appointing.
Any influence true. I'm coming there, me bow. And I make us say honorable the ochere na adwen. Ochere na adwen.
Okay.
Enti ana de unto me meka bi born have said enti na honorable ochere na adwen. Obi a won kwan say ochere na adwen, honorable ochere na adwen. But one thing I'm also saying is that we need to be very, very careful.
Okay.
Our disappointment at your best year, no.
Yeah, no.
As on mine. E kamen kwa mema yen rase. See a kofa coach e dey abebo Nigeria game no.
Okay.
Mema yen rase. See a kofa coach dey abebo Nigeria game no. Okay. If you will qualify, you will qualify. If you wouldn't, yen ko. But one thing we should know and put in mind is say building the Black Stars.
Okay.
For the next AFCON. The next AFCON is next year.
Yes.
Next year. We are in February now. It's the Anko World Cup. It shouldn't be a problem. But you building the Black Stars for the next AFCON. That should be the main target. NTF Canada, Ministry of Youth and Sports and Canada, ordinary people, we Ghanaians, here. FNO Alpha planes or only one could think of.
Otuado.
Nyansa bi anim.
Okay.
Sabe. Se ofa plane na fi Ghana ha. Se onu Otuado could think of Germany. So me Black Star ejuma. Sabe nyansa bi anim. Otuado no onyo no ya assistant coach Jerema Milo.
Yes, or no assistant.
See Apamu Milo. So you see in dissolve the technical team, right?
Sure.
Yes, I know you can.
Yes.
Say in dissolve the technical team. And see Apamu Milo near dissolve the technical team. Otuado is part of the technical team. See dissolve this yes
Okay.
See, in dissolve the technical team of the Black Star and then the management committee. Now, up to the extent, say, you see, every phone or young power more. Otuado is part of the Black Star technical team, no?
Okay.
It is a dissolve here, and you see a power more one. And the engineer says, I air for Otuado beam. And the engineer says, about Master Kuna do beam. Because they are all part of the technical team. I'm going to make it that abysmal performance. I Cameroon. And even si Otuado yen na yesi yeko ni yeko yeni nukudi nkomo wana.
Dabi.
So can't we pick a phone and call Otuado? Oh, Oto, you better say obefa Black Stage. Are you ready? You mean say Otuado nka are you ready so obe Black Stage ma?
Obenya time.
And are you ready so obe Black Stage wanka as an assistant coach for the senior national team of the Black Stars. And ke ye kwa AFCON no and kon kwatena Germany. AFCON wan ko bi o.
Dabi.
And so no ya assistant coach. Suspension. And yesterday you bought the German Bundesliga. Now AFCON na you bought the German Bundesliga.
Okay.
But still Otuado ama 15 days suspension. One mau. Into obi a ye to plane at the taxpayers money. Afro plane. Ye ko ye ba koda hotel. Ye be didi. Ye be try return ticket aba. Ni ya taxpayers money. And ye dey say nya. Ni ye see then kwa ko din ko say o me fa Black Star adwuma. Me wa ye open obi anfa ni CV mra.
Okay.
Enza na ye no.
Okay.
Upe adwuma, ye do be a ye pochi. Fine, ye pochi.
Yes.
But do be a ye obi am application, obi anfa na application na ye den. Emra.
Ye hwe da audio mo dru.
Ye hwe CVs.
Yes.
Na hwe o records awo. Eni ni adwuma na say na wa ya kopem no. Na ye afaw. Otuado ye an assistant coach for Borussia Dortmund. Oh, I wouldn't say only experience, but about the Black Star Juma, he has been part of the team for how long now? In the last 5 years, Otuado has been part of the team. On the head of scouting team, at the Black Stars. Remember your review. Black Stars are scouting players. Otuado in their head.
Super time so.
Enjoy my time, so let me finish.
You finish. You finish.
So I say, and Kobia, you're part of the team. You talk about saying you are talking of Ibrahim Tanko. I'm not for Ibrahim Tanko. It doesn't also make sense.
Wow.
Ibrahim Tanko, why are assistant coach of the Black Stars?
Bang.
2017, 2019. Wow. You're quite safe. He's the assistant coach. Rebecca so need a free hands to work. And today, on the part of the technical team. And at 23, on the 23 for qualified to Olympic. No. I'm not saying say your local coaches in here and as a black coaches in here. You good black coaches and a local coaches. Oh, but as it stands now, when we are talking of rebuilding,
sure,
and I'm trying to make the Black Star attractive, we should go in for a white coach. I'm not saying that Chris Hilton and Yankofano.
Okay.
But let's find a proper coach. Mama Yang Rasi.
Okay.
You to your boss, never proper coach. Also, develop these stars. Yeah, almost the skill and the talent. But how I be shape talent and the skill no. Now be nyam for so perfume muno and I say aka.
Okay.
It's my ministry government. I mean this one I don't see any interference from the government. I don't see.
Okay.
Per what Chairman Sabonso said, you know.
Okay.
Per don't will be a school team. Per what Chairman Sabonso said, you know. I don't see any interference from the government.
Okay.
ABNA behind the scene. Or they mean behind the scene there.
Okay.
But per what Chairman Sabonso said, you know, I don't see any interference from the government or Kasaman who as an individual. It's, you know, and they emphasize a man.
Okay.
But you know to was the technical team, and I say the says your FA technical team, your FA led by Bernard Lepe. Omunyan to was here. Omunyan to was here. Onukano, I see, Onunya is Omuko. You will take into I see a permanent of Bernard Lepe, right?
Super, how do you see?
Madam Anusi, you will take into one a permanent of Bernard Lepe by Bernard Lepe, or a part of the technical team. All those people, yes, I kill
Super, you mama Black Star.
Black and I'm going to say,
okay.
Omunyina Otoado, Bernard Lepe, Obia part Olele, Omunyina Massa.
Okay.
7 up when you're free.
Olele nyade.
Oh, why a chima black star?
Olele.
Why not I've got one at you?
Walkout.
Why not a goalkeeper trainer? Why not a goalkeeper trainer?
Yeah, Olele na den. All right.
It is so who crowd, so what I will say, young Pamo GF for us. I say young Pamo GF. Omokra mobile, even how many technical people. Also, young Pamo, how much more the technical people I handle the Black Stars.
Okay. Super facing mama. What do you see? You know, I don't know. Yendi come on. I also bet you are from him. That boy will better than car. 0551 667755 0551 667755 and I say 0270 191 971 0270 191 So bet me afre na odwa dwen chere dia ba the Black Stars of Ghana I see an ru papa nya bayra abrewadwo 0551 667755 ofra bet me the wadwen chere dia ba da boy
and top me form topic na raising I was a man for omo to me digest it clean because na it baby ayeti Abraham Maho eti ni kama I watch Otoado play.
Okay.
No kwase onye exceptional player bia you can say be man job we are.
The boy me ba my fa call we wa man so. Hello. Okay. Z. Okay. Okay. Hello, good afternoon. Hello, good afternoon. Okay. Aye ya Zazuba ajo be ye ya mama. The boy now okay.
Yeah, you know, Nana ora chairman san bonso. I think say I believe say onim coach ya yekofa na be kra sen Otoado. Aya say utimi di coach ya yekofa na ba utimi di ne ho dance say oyobi a ye man mofra obetumi akochi omo dia na I think say yemfa under 17 ma the incoming coach no because ono na hono na yebetete mofra ni nyina afi no motumi abenyini abebo the Black Star proper no edi amaye say na kai no he spoke as a Ghanaian wankasa ma GF me na me opinion concerning what he said no but we am at as say onim coach na oba no onim adwo betumi aye say the under 17 mo ma no a ebe proper so what I say and don't you forget Otoado no time no right there me can say be say me dam wofa bi ase a o ma manage sports ho hwe the Abrante bi wo Ghana ha ye koya the house of folk grandma no obebo Black Star or your striker about 7 matches or share 1 goal Oto Kim Grant that ball go no share any crown you wanna mean the no then left the cartoon
okay
what I say why do you worry ourselves your players are good damn one on one you bet you pay coach e Ghana ha ya dia asho monsa I think I do one coach be a young man or it's visa.
Yeah, Ignatius or Sefosu.
Fantastic. I don't know yem was uncle for winning now. Look at the way they played. What they are here. So what they are here. Your Bobo coaches, local based coaches, Ibiano with time. Okay. With time ready idea you know writer.
Sure.
2 years, 3 years time to come no. You been your mature players are. Omabo Blast you been your coaches Papa Pram. You see your Ghana Man Soccer Center.
The boy me ba the boy me ba 0551 667755 0551 667755 and that's 0270 191 971 Osuba to me afre now the wadwen share about Black Stars coaching job no aye bibia wo 0551 667755 that boy
Ese ne o kasi Ghana man so ka center sana na na di kura che say
uko Algeria uko Algeria
hotel yes
F
okay
super meba
okay okay hello good afternoon Pacho bet we jina be mama hello good afternoon
Pacho bajina good afternoon
Pacho din be afrefi
me Pacho FM apia me kase fin kronso
Mr. Apia Pacho yanku enim
okay me concerning Black Star coach no I'm say one of members in Kasafa the Okasa say Okasama ba I'm say here Mensa Bunsu no so ye Ghana ni and also one of the fact so ye more parliament in Chese bi oni bi afa ball oni bi fa ball nti no so kan dey say ono dey di ono so believe that coach no nti enye say we o interference and na say ekoba say aban fa coach aban fa bi obi abaye aban adwuma na wo gina nche na o ka say yenso ye mpene enye wo na utua ne ka aban ni na etua ne ka here blaster coach so aban ni na etua ne ka na wo ni coach na koya za na mabadi coach middle yo ba yi enye ada no nkofa kwa bi so be fa ba gi sika na mo kwaje nti o say aban ni so timi gina say me na me bo no ka nti me so mo me bo no ka no dia me so metimi ayi mo di we ba nti aban ni ba na aban no so di o tua ne ka ni failure en Ghana for say betimi aka no ase ni da ma se.
All right, Mr. Pierre, so yeah, so between your friend now do I drink share about 0551 667755 0551 667755 and that's 0270 191971. Zuba na okay. Course neighbor. Hello, good afternoon.
Hello, good afternoon.
Bacho didn't be afraid fee.
Friend Parkway,
okay, Mr. Parkway, see you
Bacho, what can they? Give a president now what to conquer Germany. I mean, Musum Fasubiao. Sabi, Yansa Sembiani. Say, even, oh, yeah, what can they? Or your assistant coach, why don't you communicate with him on the phone? And I says, move a different way and communicating. What to play? I could say Ganeska. Sabi, Yansa Sembiani was with money.
All right, okay. Parkway see and I'll tell on the boys in monitor. From Amano Chrome. The boy, maybe young for 1 or 2 be near Yana and Yaza. Okay, we about our man. So, hello, good afternoon. Patrobet for Radio Noama Kakra.
Hello.
Yeah, good afternoon.
Yeah, afternoon.
Patro didn't be our free.
Yes, friend, them good at
Patrobet Radio Noama Kakra.
Yeah.
Patro young queen him.
Okay. Now I'm saying Ghana for no is like almost last time I said you almost got almost new bomb and I'm new. And I saw share the best coach I'll be to Ghana Blaster there Pesiapia. But Ghana for now I said you almost share Zuma coach no. Oh, I'm a coach now just because you can be to Ghana Blaster man now so yeah Ghana football pressure too much me look at you. I'm a confana coach Ghana.
Mesro, ubet me attracted that statement no. Kwasiara Pacho, why Pacho?
Okay.
All right.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
All right.
And I gave a present in my sack.
All right.
Thank you.
All right. Mesro me das party. Mesramo mobile we nya tem didi yam yanya de kama na embo Pacho na enye ya 0551 667755. Okay. Hello, good afternoon. Hello, good afternoon.
Hello,
good afternoon.
Hello.
Pacho Temenka.
Hello.
Okay. On Temenka, I'll be to me a friend now. What's about biome 0551 667755 0551. Okay. Hello, good afternoon.
Hello.
Yeah, good afternoon. Pacho, do be a free.
But your friend Kwame Fefi in Sam Luka.
Okay, Kwame, young queen.
Kwame Kwamna.
Oh, Kwamna. Okay, Mr. Kwamna, young queen.
Pacho, Ghana Blaster, then I have my issue, but in Penfuna count the born now politics. Anything I am going anymore. Ubo, only born a ball, also any player. Be on all your assemblage, be our NDC, be already see, none to bench. None you all anyway, none more than Nako Botafu from Mataba. And it's had a bad idea. Yes, I could nada. Now, one class, no one won't cut up. What I have on air politics in Ghana. who say, yeah, make me a house, but I'm so Kotokoya, to make us a Kotokoya, and yet, and think me down, I say, when I'm in.
All right, yes, we had to say, the boy, yeah, one copy by bit me after.
Right, I think say your friend Timmy Tuna no mutu say Sebe Ojimilo Yamini mo kwase na enye yeah but and kukuru asem we say one the credibility of the station is at stake. Who presenter no you are at stake and I go at stake in the best young co-production room ko ye ne maybe baby do be atem
hello, good afternoon.
Hello, good afternoon.
Patrol didn't be our free.
If I tell me, didn't go for us, do not film Lampard, free for your crop over
Lampard, and your line me a clear pa. Lampard,
I'm a clear woman. I'm in a Bennett's kitchen. I'm a guy who was to any more pay.
Lampard,
no, so much in them say, last time coaching job. At the Bayan, one form of interim coach is better, no one can move. Local coach is trained, not one fan selected players, and not one more World Cup qualifying. Check your booyah.
Hey, Lampard and Nenny, that Lampard and Daddy Afa. Lampard Afa, you say, yeah.
Pep Guardiola coach Timbe.
Man City.
Good. Barcelona 92, baby. Barcelona 92. He was playing for the Spanish national team.
Okay.
No defender. Yeah, one more call Barcelona 92. Ebi na mkromo. Yeah, who has a becani patre for Abomo. One, yeah, we are the Yemawa. One, a dinner baby come on Kasa.
Sure.
We have a place a good damoha. To be anyone who between was you, some percent that Kojatu, if you were called, it has supposed to be a sinner.
Yes, you're bonity. What's your
idea? You're for mom.
CKG, Fimo.
What I didn't hear that. I said, right, Naned, you say, Corobia can't be and no crack. Unim Blaster, here, I be the Pele Mano. I be the Pele Man in here, Blaster, to push themselves up.
Yes.
Kevin Prince Boateng, before our Blaster, no. Now the team, I think, Nottingham Forest.
AC Milan.
So, Portsmouth, good, Portsmouth. No call relegation. Your friend no call World Cup by no. And no GD. Ever firm one Kobo AC Milan, be firm Akobo Barcelona crapping. And I'm a boy.
Yes.
And you know, Yentias here. What Bobana wasa? And your man deadly said, Blast as a friend. No way.
Okay.
Yen po be between the Nancy film.
All right.
What they say, they'll push your man writer. Become a job play. We can't just say Alcan Capono. Namen support Ghana. Halfly lie. O my awutimuno. Messi a Drugu crowd domano.
Obodro, yes.
A Drugu as I said, who you are for. Everybody, you'll be on way when Nika. Is there Encoya, a quote in the best.
Okay.
The best ramping for, and I can say, a binding so say Jugua, and Yabana Samo. A Juguma, right? Milo Bajisikai, which is a Koni Kroma. How could you ask a gram well chrono? Oh,
we knew Milo Asa, and I cough. Almost cough Milo, but ah, now coach, the 12 years back, Oba Tamawono. Now, me fan says in the sick of man 5,000, 550 million. This time around, Oba and I say, and after 12 years now, Abano, and name Muno, Yatin Sicano, Sumo, Mumma 20 million crown magic. Bravo. I can tell you,
make up any article. I say, Milo, first Oba Yana, second one, I say, first one Oba, I say. Player back person who we are say Michael Essien.
Okay.
Oba first one no. I say player back person who we are say Michael Essien. We Oba Michael Essien why be Nigeria na Oba.
Okay.
Now me dey be ameka. Yen say Keto Kreku. Enya ade a Sebio say na nananum ka per se no say yentumi nka say yen pam no we you say to aba. Ebe ye ya ne egosui, ebe ye ne egosui. Yen hwe Nien fan microphone entuetu ano ye ntom so aba ya point na aba sebi udi nkwa asema na ya pamo ko sebi se ye tu ni pan so aba otewo ni men se den fata na ekutia ye nyina eti ye besre ebe yi a nana writer na na ebe yi a moko sports writers meeting na mon kan champion no na to sports minister World Cup ebe yi a ye nya qualification no
okay
2023 African Cup no.
Okay.
Inya ne mo wa kakra for some period. Yeah, baby go see why.
All right. Okay, that boy that. Super final words niako.
Oh, many Americans say the ministry and the GF, you know, maka relax, omunya botre. No one come to consensus. Ni omu agree on say in the next 2 years, and I said 3 years, say you say the Black Star no could do. It's young person coach.
Okay. And
from our national team, no. My premier the Kobo World Cup qualify. It was so. Just senior as my mommy Susa Hours and I'm minister, but what's on parliament? Can say I didn't racing here call Kara, you call Kata, you call busy say a co work up with you busy or Kata. It doesn't make sense. So I say, and you know, I'm to no put a proper and only for your fit. Once you choose to be the idea, say fit and proper.
Sure.
Now, obey to my ear, Jumano. No, so I'm mainly the Black Star. You enjoy interference, you enjoy Bibini, Bruni. And Utuado no one and put the right person on my Juma. All
right. At okay, I don't know. How many did you know? Any other see Okuma Global Sports and it's said Kama. Yadia commercial by Hera Sports around in Kofi Korea Jaman. Zaso and a park with CPK. Or more boy, the finest now coming Perry. The boy Otenika Eke. What is all the amount of somebody by? That's a baby, my boy. I'm a be a sweet me a conquer. Crobia Sante. So ebe boy ama jumedi no ye dia bana na odamia DJ Donzi DJ Vibes Tony ana Ziggy B one ye ko Facebook abi biaso no etumi akonka executive producer you run the Mr KB ana she jumedi ni kama ye de eba betino and the writer commentator yame adomo chana yebeshia